What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can close or delete your Shopify store. Now a lot of people, like I made this video a few days ago about how you can delete Shopify account and cancel Shopify subscription, and a lot of people like the video, so I was like, why not make this video for you guys. Now if you want to delete your account guys, you can do that on Shopify, but you can cancel subscription and Shopify will stop charging you. And I'm also going to show you guys some tips so that Shopify will not charge your credit card after this video. Okay, now I have multiple Shopify stores and this is exactly what I do guys to stop Shopify from charging my credit card. Now the first thing you need to do guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on plan. Okay, now currently on this store I am not paying for the subscription, but for you will find here cancel subscription, but for me it says here deactivate trial because like I said I am not paying for the subscription right now. Now you want to click on cancel subscription, click on it, and here you have to give Shopify a reason why you are canceling. Click on here and then click please select, and for example I am not making enough sales, and yeah, just click continue and that's it. Now after you deactivate guys, after you cancel subscription, you need to make sure that you are not paying for any app, or also if you have any app installed on your Shopify, you have to delete it before you do these steps. Okay, or if you do these steps and you still have access to your account, go and then delete all apps, because this is very important. If you don't delete all apps, there are some apps that will charge your credit card. So please drop a like on this video and click the video on the screen to learn how you can delete apps from your Shopify so that they will not charge your credit card. Okay, because you can just uninstall the apps. You have to go through the process of uninstalling the app from your Shopify. Okay, see you guys next videos. Have a good